So another PPC related case study question is when you ask to explain the impact of an event on the economy using the PPC. Now, my structure here is DSA. So D, once again, let's be kiasu, define the PPC first. S means you have to consider whether the event leads to a shift of the entire PPC. A means a point. Are you referring to movement of a point on the PPC towards origin or towards the PPC? Okay, so DSA, define shift or a point moving. Okay, movement of a point. So what exactly is a shift? A shift of your PPC is equivalent to a shift in the long-run aggregate supply curve. So this means a change in your productive capacity. And that happens when you have a change in QQ cell. Quantity and quality of your factors of production like capital, enterprise, land, labor, cell, right? So when you shift your PPC, just be a bit mindful. Sometimes you have a pivotal shift. Pivotal shift occurs when the event favors the production of one good more than the other. This usually happens when the event is technology related. So your two goods will be those technology dependent products and technology non-dependent products. Okay, so that's a pivotal versus a parallel shift. And when you talk about movement of a point on the PPC, that's equivalent to a change in the level of spending, which is what you call actual growth. Okay, so you move towards the PPC when there's higher consumption, government spending, investment, or export sales. You move away when there is a fall in spending. Let's also look at another perspective. Points on the PPC are productively efficient. So as you move towards the PPC, there is also a gain in productive efficiency. Okay, so look at the event, decide whether it leads to a shift, which means a change in QQ cell. And if there's a shift, whether it's a pivotal or parallel shift. Then decide if the event also leads to a movement of a point. Sometimes it's either or, right? Shift or movement. Sometimes it's both. When there's movement of a point, decide whether you're moving towards PPC or away from the PPC. Okay, so that's DSA, and that's it. Okay.